Yes, I'm live now. Hey, what's up? This is George Chamoun. I want to welcome you to this live stream. I'm coming to you live on this Saturday, January the 18th, 2025. I want to thank you so much for joining, whether you're on this live stream or on future replay of this video. Let me know if you have any questions and if you're interested in this kind of topics and similar ones on my channel. Let me know. Let me know. Submit your questions and let me know if you have any ideas you want to share or any questions you want me to discuss. And make sure if you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. I need your help in growing my channel and make sure you ask questions. We're talking about how to learn Linux commands, starting with Linux commands. Even whether you are advanced or a beginner, this video and this question and answer session will help you nail down Linux commands for beginners or refresh your knowledge if you are advanced or mid-level, you know. So yeah, Linux commands are there are many commands to use, hundreds or thousands maybe, and you can use a combination of them, you know. It's a learning process, but you have to start somewhere. You can start if you have a Linux machine, if you have a book, if you take a course, you can do a combination of those learning, you know. So I'm gonna be over talking over. You know, I have a Linux machine at home. I have a book here, and I took a course a long time ago, and now I have a course online. I'm teaching Linux for beginners, for new users. You know, because this is a good book. You know, I recommend. It's kind of uh, advanced. It's got a lot of details, but it covers some basic topics. You can use it, but there are a lot of resources online and books. You know, you can get on YouTube, and you have hundreds of thousands of videos about Linux. But my recommendation is to install it at home, to have a computer like what I'm doing here now. I have this computer here, this this laptop here. It's running Linux, and those two monitors, and I have a server here, you know. So yeah, I want to welcome you if you're joining on this live stream. This is George Shamon. I'm coming to you live on this Saturday, January 18th, 2025. We're talking about Linux, how to learn Linux and how to use Linux commands. Whether you're a new user or advanced, this video will help you. We can share our both of our ideas and topics. Thank you, Mr. Kind. Thanks for joining. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Don, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much, Mr. King, for subscribing. I do appreciate that. Why you are not reading comments? Oh, okay. I look on and off on the comments, you know, but I want to present first, you know, and then I'll be looking at comments. Monica K, hi, welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, have if you have any questions about Linux commands, how to use them, how to get started with Linux, we're talking about this subject. This video is specific for Linux, whether you are a new user, beginner, advanced, how to use Linux commands, how to learn them. Thank you for subscribing, Monica. Thank you. I do appreciate that. So this is a two-way conversation. So make sure you ask questions if you're interested to learn about Linux, or even if you are a Linux user and you want to advance your knowledge, or you have questions, you can ask it here. You know, I can answer you, and if I cannot answer you, I'll direct you to the other list, to the right resources, and I'm sure we'll help each other here. You know, so I'm not the only one who can answer questions. You know, so. Yeah, so this book is good, you know. This book here, this one, the how Linux works. It's very detailed. It's for advanced beginners. It covers everything, you know. But that's the only one I have. But there are a lot of easier book. I recommend this series here, this series of book, the in easy steps. This one here. So I have this is JavaScript and this is Python. This is Python, but I'm sure they have Linux books and other topics. So I recommend this because it's uh, it's in color. It has like colored text and pictures. It's easy to read and learn, you know. So and it's made for beginners, I think. So anybody have a questions about Linux commands? You know, I can run them right now. I mean, I'm not gonna say I know all the commands. You know, I know some of the commands. I mean, a lot of commands, but you forget them sometimes. But they come back fast to your mind if you know how to use them. And I have my Linux computer here running, and I can use the commands here. Sam Moreno, thank you for subscribing. So this is the command line here. And if you want me to run any specific commands, I can run it right now, you know. So yeah, I was running some commands about the IP address yesterday, how to find IP address information because we use it in the whether you are a network engineer, IT professional, everybody you can use those IP address commands, you know, and information to learn about the your own computer IP address and the other network computer, you know. So yeah, okay. Anyone else have a question or a comment about Linux? Let me know. Yeah, so let me go over you know how to learn Linux. I mean, I'm gonna go over my course. I have a course here online. I can show it to you, and if you're interested, you can join. If not, that's not a problem. There are a lot of resources online, but I want to direct your attention to the let's see uh, to the content I have. You know, so yeah. So if you go to yeah, if you go, I have my online courses right here. Let me turn. If you go to payhip.com, George KC Web Services. This is where I host my courses, and this is the Linux course. This is the first one I have, you know, Linux commands, Linux, learn Linux, basic Linux commands, and this is if you click on this one here, it's gonna give you. I'll add it in a chat box, you know, so you can read about the course, what I cover, and then it will cover the course curriculum here, what I cover, you know. I can go over them so in a minute, but let me just add it in the chat box in case somebody is interested to join. Let me see. So, page coder, live. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna add it in the comment box. Elijah Smith, yo, just stop. You'll never make it. Okay. Thank you for joining, Eli, uh, Elijah Smith. Thank you for joining. Where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know. Are you in the US or overseas? Where are you tuning in from? What country are you from, or what state if you are in the US? Let me know. So this is. I'm gonna add my. This is my online course page, courses, hosting, website, web page, website. So this is here. Let me add the link. And then if you go, if you click on this thing, it will take you to my courses, and I only have one now, and it's this one here. This is Linux. Learn Linux commands here. So let me add it. It's right here. And use this coupon so you can get 50% off that expires at the end of this month. So let me just add this note here and use this. Okay, so let me show you what it covers. So yeah, so this is the course here I have online if you're interested to join, So Linux commands basics for network and telecom engineers and for others too. It's not only for those guys. If you're new, this will help you. And there is a coupon code you can use here. So use at checkout. It will give you 50% off. And I add it in a box here. And see, and this is